a pop braid. I'm going to take a 1-inch square section just behind the ear in the nape of the head and go ahead and pull all the other hair to the side. We'll start by taking a small piece from the left hand section and bringing it over and combining it into the right hand section. And then take a small piece from the outside of the right hand section, pull it over and combine it into the left hand section. Continue this braiding all the way to the end. We're not looking for a smooth, perfect braid. We want this to be natural, messy, free. We're going to pull this braid apart after it's finished. You want to leave some hair out at the end so that as we pull this braid apart, we have a little bit of hair to play with. Secure with an elastic band. Now begin pulling with your fingers and separating the braided pieces. We want to create a real loose, soft, deconstructed braid. It's going to provide a nice pop or an accent to our overall look. Holly is being a little bit gentle with her pulling, so I will step in here and kind of give her some tips. Pulling very small pieces of hair is going to make more of a frizzy, messy look. Pulling large pieces of the braid will create a much thicker and softer feel. A little bit of both makes a really nice accent braid. And you don't have to be afraid of pulling too hard. We leave that hair out at the end of the braid in order to give us something to pull against. Then release the hair around it and style as desired.